What's the big deal about having high levels of blood sugar? And can blood sugar spikes actually lead to diabetes? And how can we prevent this from happening? Hi, my name is Dr. El Mohandes. I'm integrative medicine practitioner, doctor of physical therapy, and certified nutritionist and anti-aging specialist based in DC. So when the blood sugar levels go up, the sugar itself becomes sticky. So it starts sticking to lots of proteins in different parts of the body. And when this happens, it changes the shape and the function of the protein itself, leading to damage in that protein. Now, bear in mind that protein is the building block of the body. It is the building block of the body. So the body itself as a structure becomes weak and damaged in different areas. It's like having a building with weird shaped and weak blocks. That building ends up crumbling over time. And when this happens in the eye, for instance, causes to eye damage or retinopathy. When it happens in the kidney, it causes renal damage or kidney damage. When it happens in the nerves, it causes nerve damage or neuropathy. And these are serious conditions that over time can progress and lead to serious complications. And to prevent this from happening, you just need to keep a few things in mind. Number one, never eat your carbs alone. You gotta combine your carbs with lean protein, healthy fats, and fibers to slow down the absorption of glucose or sugar into the bloodstream. Number two, you want to make sure that you drink enough water throughout the day, because when you are dehydrated, that decreases the blood volume, which increases the concentration of blood sugar or glucose in the blood. It also leads to stressing the body, and in the presence of stress hormones that makes the liver produce more glucose into the blood. And also dehydration strains your kidneys so that they end up doing a poor job filtering out the glucose from your bloodstream. Number three, you want to make sure that you're getting enough restful sleep, usually somewhere between 7 to 9 hours, depending on multiple factors. But lack of a sleep is known to disrupt, your hormones, leading to disruption of hormones, which leads to fluctuations in your blood sugar. Number four, you want to make sure that you take the time to de-stress, because stress hormones like cortisol, they definitely cause a spike in blood sugar. And finally, you want to take a few minutes after, especially after your big meals, to go for a short walk, as little as 10 minutes or 15 minutes if you can, because when you do this, you get your big muscles, the big muscles in the legs, to suck up or consume the excess sugar in the blood, preventing these sugar spikes from happening. Now, just keeping these few tips in mind will help you avoid uncontrollable blood glucose levels and blood sugar spikes, because frequent blood sugar spikes over time can lead to diabetes, as it leads to weight gain. So just keep this in mind, and please share this information with others to spread awareness and be a force for good.